Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us here today for this month's AIW presentation.
The draft had waterproofing as a licence category mandatory, so it should come out sometime tonight, tomorrow.
For example, when we mentioned an ore value of OR4 for 80 mil of PIR, to get OR4 with XBS, you may need to go above 120 mil to meet that ore value.
Our members upstairs here getting a bit of a lecture from Stephen Woods about warm roof build-up. Pizza's cooking, ready for everyone. Oof, look at that, lovely. Got some ready to go. How long will these take to cook? We are going to be jumping straight into the man versus machine.
Every installation before you start with any of these machines, you should be doing a little test weld, a little test patch, and then tearing it with a set of pliers to see if you've got good adhesion. So you get a much more uniform weld with the robot as opposed to human error that could happen.
Good to go. All right. And then your wheels basically follow your heat, so almost train track welds. So you can have a feel. It's like a double clamp weld.
Our man versus machine setup again.
Mini Macadon comes from Canada, upwards of 800 square metres in a single day. I'm going to fire it up now. What I need is 2 volunteers.
All ready, yeah. There you go.